mock test, part 4. Coming to near the end of the test now. So now he's got to get the bottom level pallet, reverse back through chicane, place it down at vertical face, park the truck up. Nice. Pretty good. I'll come round. He's looked level. Lowered. Very good. No, mate. So there. Still did an all-round check before he uses hydraulics. Really, really good. Another look round before he uses his hydraulics, gets into travel position. Very, very good. So reverse through chicane, place it down and park up. So he's looking at the corner and he's looking at direction of travel, which is what we want to see. We need to see that you're looking in reverse. Good. So same again, that pallet, look at that. Absolutely bang central, so that tells me it's mastered his turning points. I do notice that when he's not going to turn right, he slightly shunts forward, but that's a sign of a good, confident driver that knows how to put those slight errors and sort them out, which is really good. Very good driver. Obviously, when we go back to that pallet that was at the low level stack, we need to talk about that. It's just slacking a little bit here, looking in reverse. It's more concentrating on the corner. It's a little bit tight as well here, obviously, for him to pull out and park up. The manager at this depot wanted us to leave these leave this space for the vans to come in and out. So needs must. So same again. A good look round before he's moved off. I've not seen him miss one observational check. Really, really good with his checks. Very, very good. Every time he touches them hydraulics, he does a check. Really, really good. So So yeah, so he's looked, levelled, and lower. Really good. Same as, see if he does a check. One, good check. Then looking in reverse and making sure his forks are withdrawing cleanly. Such a shame about that low stack pallet. Other than that, very, very nice, smooth run. Stop, handbrake, neutral, good look round. Into travel position. And like we say, it's a little bit tight. It's only got about 2 foot at back. Normally we would have 2 meters. But that's the room we've got to deal with. He'll not be happy with that. It's alright. Come on, dismount. So, like I say, not very many errors at all. Obviously that's incorrectly parked. We want them tips touching floor. We'll have a word with him now. But thanks for watching.